Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday morning and I bought a new drill press. Is from LTF in Italy and is a very heavy duty machine. I changed because my previous drill press was like a toy. This one is very rigid and is a 380 drill press. This means that we have to put a VFD, and also today we will make all the external control panel to drive this new machine. So now we have to remove from the car this baby, and will be a challenge like always. Let's see how to do it. It's not easy at all. For the moment, let's I cannot remove. This thing is over 100 kilograms, you know. So it's easier. I have this one. Maybe I can put here a piece of wood and put on this little cart, you know. I don't know, I need to configure out. It's not an easy task alone. Let's try to remove this one. It's quite heavy, fortunately. No, maybe 20 kilo. Stop. He's almost inside the shop, and after there is another task here. Let's see. Press is inside the shop, but we still didn't finish, you know. Maybe the hard stuff we start now, because how to put somewhere, you know, is a nice problem. That I don't have a crane. This is a problem. The lift for the pallet is not mine, but at least I have this one. So now I need to think about how to do it, but at least it's inside. I'm preparing here the housing. This is the table. It was an existing table, but I want to make stronger the fixing, you know. Okay, I put back the table, and I place these additional legs in order to give extra strength. In truth, this table is more strong than what we can think, because this is metal, you know, and on top you have a 30 millimeter laminated particle board. So it's very, very strong, this structure. And with these legs here, no problem at all. And also here I put a piece of wood in order to give more rigidity. And on the back is screw with two big screw like this, even bigger in truth. So now let's put here another mezzanine, and after we can put the machine on the top. Okay guys, I place the forex here on the table. Now I put this lift parallel to this table, but in truth I don't know what to do, you know. Will be to place again the base here, like this I have a pivot point, and for sure I think will be much easier. Yeah, I think I will do in that way, but I need an help from my son because it's quite difficult. Okay guys, finally the machine is on the table. It was quite dangerous also.
Si vuole far prostituire.
Luna, my dog is happy. As you can see, this machine practically is new and unbelievable, you know. After I clean up, appear this beauty, you know. It's practically new. Was hard job, but look, man. This machine practically is new. Look the table condition. Also the colonnum. I cannot be more happy than this, you know, because my friend, the guys that sell to me this machine told me that he used very few times, you know. Was very dirty because in this professional shop, even if was not too much use, but get a lot of dust, grease and stuff like that. And I clean up, this is the situation. I open here the enclosure. And now let's talk a little bit about this machine. It's from LTF Italy. He's a wholesaler placed in Lombardia. He is also the wholesaler of Optimum, you know. LTF is his brand. Of course, these machines are but under LTF standard, you know, and are not a hobby machine, those one. Those one are for professional use, you know. This press drill weight 120 kilo. So it's a three-phase motor, and for these reasons I bought a VFD. The input is one phase 220 and the output is three phase 380. So now let's put on the wall and let's try the machine. Okay, let's remove here from the box this inverter. I use a similar for the decal, you know, and up to now I'm quite happy. So two phase, line, neutral and ground, and U, V and W for the three phase, and here are the for the control external control panel. So here we have 24 volts, 10 volts, ground, and now we have to find out, because I want to put a potentiometer, a pot. So now let's put here the cable for this one. Okay, here we put this one. But this after we will 1, 2 and 3. Okay. It's fine like this. Okay. and this here. I want just to try the drill press. I will connect directly on the VFD, but in truth I want to bypass this system, and with the help of some friends that are electronic engineer, they will help me in order to practically connect this enclosure to the external panel control. But for the moment we will do in a simple way. It's not easy to find a way, you know, for this control panel, because this machine is a power tapping machine, you know, but I will explain this function later on. Okay, now let's connect this one. Okay. I hope that now will not give me problem, eh? In truth, we are ready to try now these things. Hey guys, it's quite funny. I just found out that it's not 380 the output, but it's 220. There was because I read here 220, but I say okay, maybe it's the input. At the end, I check, and the output is 220 instead of 380. So I think that there is a wrong shipment to me. Now, so I will connect directly to the motor, 3-phase 220, in order to see if the motor is properly working. It's crazy, you know, a lot of missing time for almost nothing. So anyway, let's now to connect in the proper way. I leave in this configuration for the high voltage because I was thinking that this VFD was 380, but now I have to put here for the low voltage the connection. So let's do it. I connect the motor directly to the VFD, and this way, of course, is run. Now I push at 50. And it's going at 220. This machine doesn't stop. 2.59 ampere, 50 Hz. Even at 45 volts, you cannot stop the 28 volts. I cannot stop. So, lot of torque. Even if we drive with a 3-phase 220, the machine doesn't stop at 28 volts. So guys, also for today I close like this the video. Next time we will try to make all the connection in order to use the drill press control panel. Thank you to visit my channel. If you like this video, please put a like and subscribe. See you the next one.